Hello, and welcome to another Healthful Guided Meditation. Let's start today, as we always do, by getting comfortable. You may choose to sit with your back straight and your chest slightly open in a relaxed position, or you may choose to have this playing while you wash the dishes or drive to work so that you can begin to visualize making healthy choices every day. Begin by taking 2 deep cleansing breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth, blowing the air all the way out. By breathing in slowly and releasing your breath fully, you've lowered your heart rate and prepared to bring about a visualization of you living your healthiest life. You have come so far. You can continue to live a healthy life. If you started yesterday or you started last year, you are closer to your goals today than you've ever been. Take a minute to reflect on your why. Why are you choosing health? Why are you making everyday choices to live just a little bit healthier? Really let this resonate with you. It doesn't matter for how long you've been working. Remembering why you want to live a healthier life can make all the difference. Sit with your why and breathe into it. Now, think about how. How will living healthier change your life? How will making small choices to reach all of your health goals help you? How will you feel when you choose health every day? With your why for making a change and your how you're going to feel, reminding you that it's wonderful and you can start living your healthiest life possible. Think about the now. You have a strong why. You know how living healthier will serve you. Remind yourself that the time is now. It doesn't matter what happened yesterday. It doesn't matter what happened today. What matters is that you can and you will make healthy choices moving forward. Now take a deep breath in again. A big, full breath. Feel your chest rise. Feel the energy it brings to your body. And take a long, slow, deep, full exhale. Now do that again, but this time, as you breathe, imagine all of the air flowing into your lungs as a bright light, filling your body with strength and motivation to be the healthiest version of yourself. Remembering that whatever you can do today will help you live a better tomorrow. As you breathe this light in, imagine it going through your nose and down into your chest. It travels through your body, into your abdomen, down your legs, and out through your fingertips. With this bright light shining out through all of your body, it is helping to point you in the direction of positivity. It can help point you toward health and healthy choices, toward wellness. Notice how your body feels, full of bright light, of positivity, of motivation. Your feet want to start moving. Your hands want to start choosing healthy choices. And you can take this feeling of wellness and brightness into your everyday. The decisions you make to be healthier can be fun, enjoyable, and easy to obtain. With the right mindset and focus, you are doing it. You are living a healthy life. Remember to thank your body for bringing you to this point. Be kind to yourself and appreciate everything that your body and mind has done for you up to today. Take your strength and resilience to live a positive, healthy life, starting now. Take one more minute to imagine how you feel living this positive, healthy life. Your body feels light. Your mind feels clear. Imagine how good and strong you feel. Picture it so clearly that it becomes your reality. Repeat to yourself, I can do this. I have got this. I have the strength, the power, and the positive spirit to help me make healthy choices every day. I have the strength, the power, and the positive spirit. Continue to repeat, I can do this. You can do this. As you take another deep cleansing breath, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth in a long, slow, full exhale, repeating to yourself, I can do this. You are capable, and you are doing it. You are filled with a positive light, a clear goal, a good reason why. You are becoming the healthiest version of yourself. Begin today, continuing to live the life you've always imagined. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck on your health journey.